The British intercept us, coming as a story in itself there too, and they catch us, put us in prison ships, take us to Cyprus, and there was detention camps there. Everybody spoke Yiddish. And coming into the detention camp, there's a British guy sitting and a Yiddish guy. And he says to me, "What's that number?" And I look, and my buddy Abby's standing next to me, and he can't speak a word of Yiddish. He's going to get caught. And they're going to hang us if they catch us, or they'll put us in jail, because they're looking for the crew. And we become DPs. And he can't talk. So I said to the Jewish guy, so brilliant I said, "My name is Pesach Bruder, and this is my Brüder, Avrom Bruder." I was thinking, brother, you know what the hell? I said. So the British guy says to the Jewish guy, "Why doesn't he speak for himself?" So I don't understand English, so he says to me, so I remember what the people told me. The most dreaded thing that they had in their mind was the Hitler lager, it was called, the lockup. So I said to him, I point to him, I say, "The lager, redt nicht." So he says to the British guy, he hasn't spoken in many, many months. Hitler did this to him. The British guy starts to cry, true story, and walks out of the room. The Yiddish guy jumps up over the table, he wants to hug us, and he says, "Chaver," he says, "Was er ein Numenes Bruder?" So Goyish, not my Yiddish name, like Rosenberg. And Abby says, no, that's my real name. We couldn't stop laughing. That's like a Hollywood scene, you know? So we laughed, and we got papers for Bruder, and we to this day, that's a lot of years, we spoke on the phone, we call each other, or we email each other, Bruder, to this day. And that's where Yiddish saved my life, right there, sure, speaking Yiddish.